There are some issues with this report, I think beginning, as it happens, with its title, Coordinated Campaign of Interference, as was raised by my right honourable friend, the member for, wherever he's the member for, thank you. There is no evidence that it was coordinated, and I can speak on my own account, and I think I may get support from the whip on duty and indeed from the 10 Downing Street press office if it were able to comment. I'm not very often coordinated with the official line to take. Indeed, I've always thought that it is politically rather important that members should be independent in what they say and in how they vote, and therefore to make an assertion of coordination without evidence is a problem with this report. But it's not the only problem with this report. Designed to prevent frivolous complaints of breach of privilege, the following safeguards are in place. The Committee of Privileges does not have the power to inquire at will, but can only deal with complaints which are referred to it. Decisions on whether to refer a matter of privilege to the Committee of Privileges are taken by the House as a whole, and members require the permission of the Speaker to raise a matter of privilege. This was not done, and the 1947 Commons Journal entry was preferred to the 1978 motion. That seems to me to have been a mistake. This is not to say that this is necessarily not a serious matter, but the whole reason for the procedures is to ensure that only serious matters are subject to these reports. Why did the committee not follow the procedure properly set out by the House in 1978? Why were the safeguards ignored? This is before coming on to the matter that others have raised about individuals being named and referred to without any ability to answer. I'm not too worried about that. I've said things on the public record, and if people want to quote me and wish to refer to my television programme on GB News, which they may be jealous of, or whatever other concerns they may have, that's absolutely fine. I don't mind that personally, but I do mind that people say they're following the procedures of the House when the procedures actually seem to be rather different when you read Erskine May. I also think there is a modest discourtesy to the House of Lords, that the House of